Hello friends, now we will discuss the types of the aromatic compounds. Basically there are two types of the aromatic compounds. Number one is the monocyclic aromatic hydrocarbons and second one is the polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. Those aromatic hydrocarbons which have at least one benzene ring in their structure is the monocyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. They have only one ring. For example, this benzene and the toluene. Both of them have only one benzene ring in their structure. The second one is the polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. These have at least two rings in their structure. For example, if we have two adjacent benzene rings, we find the structure of the naphthalene, where there are two benzene rings joined to each other. And in the diphenyl methane, you can see again there are two rings which are joined together by a CH2 group. Here actually two hydrogen of methane have been replaced by the two phenyls group, therefore it is diphenyl methane. So all those aromatic hydrocarbons which have more than one benzene ring in their structure are known as the polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, and those which have only one is known one benzene ring in their structure is called as the monocyclic aromatic hydrocarbon.